Hi guys, today we are going to learn the code of the HTML for image and the links. So for image, I'm going to open a new file that is image.html. That means image.html. Okay, I'm gonna copy the same code of the hello and just converting to convenience to some latest changes. That is okay, and then I want to change the title to image, and I'm going to delete this. In this body, we are going to import it for importing image. For I'm going to create using a tag that is not that is image tag img. In that image tag, for extracting the image that we want to create, we want to show in the website. That is for only that is for the tag that I used to the attribute that I used is as RC, the source. That means that those source, the image where the image was located. Okay, source equal to double bracket, and just in the source, I'm going to paste this one. I mean that is new or png. So this is the image. So I'm just gonna run it for. Oh, sorry. I'm just closing this chat. So for for other computers, I'm going to for other computers, this code is not work or not working properly because of some system conditions or some damages in the performance and sometimes in the RAM or something like in the hard disk they have some problem. So for that purpose, I'm going to name it as some alternative, that is alternative. So means this image not working properly. So I'm going to like a display some name or tag that means this site doesn't import any for image. So that is for alternative. I'm going to name it as alternative is equals to, just name it as new or that's it. So I'm just closing it. Yeah, in this run it. So we're going to see the output. Just for waiting. Yeah. Sorry. Just yeah. This is nice. This is the this is the full image that created for entire PC or computer that is for the full display. That means full that is covered only for full. For what if you write some as major changes, that means that we are going to like this image should be in the I mean this says this parameters. I mean this image is should be considered only for this dimension, this param, that we placed in height. This should be height, this height. For that, I'm just going to name it as some changes. That is, after giving that, I'm giving some some instruction that is with equal to 300. So run it again. So I'm just closing it, and run it again. So you're going to see that these are the width of the 300 meters, the 300 centimeters width that of the image containing. So here you can be perfectly seeing that output, right? Yes. Next, this is for the image generation that we are going to import it. So for link, for link, I'm going to write the code here. For the body, going to give it some another body that is so I'm that using a tag tag the a tag for the hype for using the hyperlink reference href. So I'm just using for link and images in the same tab. So that's just for okay. For we can just open for or just open to see for open Google. So that is for I'm going to write apps URL of that website. So let's see HTTPS and okay. Next, going to close it and just the name. That means if you click this button, then only the link will be open. For that, I'm going to name it as some name like something like Google. So I'm just going to give you a capital A capital K. That's it, guys. So I'm going to run it again for this output. So I'm just for going to close this one. I'm going to run it again. Let us see the output. So that's just going to use this one. So here that is going to be first. That means in that body, or this is the body, this is the first body, and this is second body in the HTML. So that's why it printed or in orderly format. So this is the image, the first body, and the second body containing a reference that is this. If you click this button, it will open to the Google. So next thing on that, so what if I write this column? That means this column, copy here and delete this entire row and place it over here. So let's see what's gonna happen. See, hey, hmm. The link we provided that is not only for no only one website or a Google website. So in that files, I mean, right, I write a lot of files, right? So in that, so I'm going to import some name, some other link that is only in the file HTML format. So that's what I'm naming it as only for the list dot HTML. You can see that, right? List.html. I'm going to import it this one. So the name that I want to print this one only that list. So yeah, you can see the output right again. If I click the list in here, it is going to open the other tab. That means other link that is provided in the file format. Not only these files. We are going to so the same random website. That's why taking this one as account two. So I'm just copying this URL and place it over here. So let's see what's gonna be. So run it. I click the list. It's going to open some random website that is going to print it in here. Let's see. Okay, closing it. So that's it for guys. Today we are going to learn the images, how we're going to import an image and the image width and how we see that image, how many dimensions, how many height, width, or anything like that. With how much the image shown in the website. So next thing we learn that how to import a link and how to import the link. That means like we're using HTML files to print to show the output of the link, and as well as some random website we're going to take the URL that is visible to shown in the website. Thank you guys for viewing this channel. I hope you learned something from me, and this is the time for today's watch. So just open the board and just grabbing. Today's code. The today's code is about yourself. That means like I'm just stating that don't don't measure how valuable you are by the way you are treated, by the way you are treated. That means you're just the world is going to treat you how it wishes to treat you. That means we don't have to write to like write to how it defines you. Like the world is not gonna define you. You have to define yourself. So what is going to do in your life, what is going to do in your life to do things better. That means the way they are treated, that's the world works. That right? The outside the world is the real world that is going to push you to hard your limits because that is going to show the how many limits do we have, how the mesh potential, how much potential do you have in your so the world is going to treat you how it wishes to treat you. You don't control that, right? You only get to choose what you listen to, you watching to, you be friend with it. That means the only thing that treated the way you are that is going to treat yourself. If you measure your worth by those who don't treat you well, you are choosing to do so. That means there is someone out there who values you, starting with your own self. That is you. You only know that, right? That is for guys. That's it for today's code. Thank you for learning. Thank you for amazing session to be here. I'm just signing off here. Thank you.